Things you should know before creating an AI influencer in 2024. Understanding the concept. AI influencers are digital avatars created to promote products, services, or ideas. They can be chatbots, virtual assistants, or even 3D models. Key considerations. 1. Content strategy. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your brand's goals and target audience. 2. AI technology. Choose an AI platform that can create engaging content, interact with users, and adapt to changing trends. 3. Authenticity. Ensure your AI influencer is authentic and relatable to your audience. 4. Compliance. Familiarize yourself with influencer marketing regulations and guidelines. Audience engagement. Plan for audience engagement and interaction with your AI influencer. 6. Monetization. Determine how you'll monetize your AI influencer, such as through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or product sales. 7. Data analysis. Track performance metrics and analyze data to optimize your AI influencer's strategy. 8. Scalability. Design your AI influencer to scale as your brand grows. 9. User experience. Ensure your AI influencer provides a seamless user experience across various platforms such as social media, website, and chatbots. 10. Adaptability. Be prepared to adapt your AI influencer's strategy as new technologies and trends emerge. Industry trends, virtual events, and live streaming will become more prominent in 2024. AI-powered content creation will continue to grow in popularity. Sustainability and eco-friendliness will become a key focus for many brands. Diversity and inclusivity will be essential for building trust with audiences. Best practices. Conduct thorough market research before creating an AI influencer. Develop a clear brand identity and messaging. Focus on building trust and credibility with your audience. Monitor and respond to user feedback and criticism. By understanding these key considerations, industry trends, and best practices, you'll be well prepared to create a successful AI influencer in 2024.